Lovelies. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely by Jess HK. Welcome to my happy place. If you're new here, I'm Lovely. I'm living in Hong Kong, but I'm born and raised in the Philippines. So for today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a mini saving challenges. I'm supposed to be every Monday, but as you know, all of us have some job to do and some mom's duty to do. So I only do it when I have spare time. And before I start, please don't forget to like, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, comment and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on my next video. And if you want to know how I do what I do for to save money and to save for our future travels and a lot more, subscribe. All right, without further ado, let's start. So what I have here is 6 saving challenges. I will let you know which challenges came from, but for now let's do like this. Okay, and I will save here $50, and I will change it into a prop money because I don't want to use coins. In Hong Kong, the $5 is or it's coins, and $5 below is coins, and $10 up is already in notes, but some $10 is still in coins, but it's a mix of coins and notes. So let's check how much this is. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay, just keep this on the side. Okay, hold on. 5, 10, 15, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay. And the $50, I put it here already inside. And I put it on the side. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's roll the dice. So 1, 3, 6, 6, 4, 6, 2. Okay, come on. 5, 1, 3. So last one, I'll put it in this saving challenge. Okay, let's put it back. So first one is from Mel of Mamshi Queen. You can check her. There's a freebie from her shop. It's supposed to be $3 per ribbon, but I make it as $5 per ribbon. So let's cross this two out. And let's change this $10 into real money. And I think there's a change there. I saw change. Okay. Let's give a change there. And now, and this one, put aside. And now it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, $30. So now got $30. So if you want to grab this saving challenge, it's a freebie from her Kopay shop. Okay, next one is this one. It's from each icon gonna be $5. It's from Simply Living Saves. And let's cross out one then. It's gonna be 5. So all of the completed saving challenges from my mini saving challenge goes to my month ahead binders or month ahead savings. So now $5. So I'm using a recyclable laminated envelope. Yes, I recycled it, and until I get tired of it, I will just still use it. So for this one is from Roxana or Rox from Rox Budgets. So it got $10. Let's change it into real money. So each icon is $5. I don't want to. I want to use it again, so let's put it like this and mark it $5. So let's do $2 here for each eye is $2. Okay, make it $2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and keep it in here. It's very cute. I don't want to mark on the paper. I need to laminate this if I have time, but so I can reuse it. It's very cute. And then number 3 is my own saving challenge. This is part of my spring summer saving challenges that you can check on my Copa and you can grab on my Copa shop. So additional $5. Now it's 55. Okay, it's supposed to be a roll and save, but on my mini saving challenge, I don't want to have a roll and save. I just want to designate $5 or $2 in this challenge. Okay. And this one is from Madeline Budgets. So just put $5 here. And I think I nearly finished this one, but not yet. Yeah, where's it? The 3, okay. I only need here 3 and 2, $10 to complete, but so far it's not the lucky day today for this challenge. And last one is from Live Budget, fellow Filipino cash stuffer, but she's not that active yet now. But sometimes she update us on her saving journey on her financial journey. So each flower I designated it $2. So today got $15. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay, 40. So make it half. So make it 15. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 to 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Hold on. Supposed to be 25, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, or wrong. 24, and then one more 25. And let's change this $10 into real money. Okay. So now it's $25 here. So I didn't finish any saving challenge today, but it's okay. I still have a lot more. So this is my last mini saving challenges in April. That's it for now, lovelies. I hope you have a good day. Happy savings. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Make saving a habit. Bye. God bless. Bye.